Abejinkaga na mushanju nibo batunga amabaruha gabo aga modular certificate okurga hiteni choriga Nyamitanga Technical Institute aho bamazire emyezi mukaga barukutendekwa. Abeja batunga amabaruha nabo batungira omugisha gwo kutendekwa ansi ya program ya KCB Foundation ero kumanywa nka twekozese ehwerire eminyeto etarukwebasa okutunga obukugu emyogo etari emwe n'emwe obwe bakwatanise na Nyamitanga Technical Institute.
Burijo ntuyenda minimum qualification endanga muntu yonga. So ntubeta tubashomesa mezi ana ahishomero mu workshops zit tubashomesa ameza abiri industry tubachebera abana bitu graduating. So ejeje erukohoti ya katano hadi twase abana bitano nomwe abitu graduating ire kurwo mukohoti ezezona a sponsorship ya KCB
ndiwo mombantu abi KCB erukuyambaho abiyayambire kahereza skills ankanture nyine kiteka teko nashi echetengo cyo kushoma amashanyarazi okurubwira kunka nasanga tine bubasa
kafuna chance yo kuzo mu KCB bank project ndukurabira mu new vision ndukurabira no mushija wanje wafunire new vision ejo nija nakora interview nashoma bwa carpentry and joinery natandikaho workshop ya furniture ati ndimu ninkora.
Program ya KCB Foundation ekatandika mu 2018 omuyangeri ya Uganda nekigendererwa cyo kwatarahwa babati necwera kandi obwatabeje barukurenga biberno baganyirwa mu program eji.
The idea was to support the underprivileged, to support these communities and reach out, also giving back through corporate social responsibility of the bank. We have so far managed to skill under our program called Twekozese over 2,000 youths, and these ones have been in a different trades.
Na waka prayinga berete nkanta kumangunisho korabamu konka habwaro hanga nemba bazeye na basokorabamu.
Gairi the senior 4 ya barafizi ya umomuka na shanga batine na maka. I came up na bondekera maka ati bararaje habiro program ya KCB Nyamitanga kunagirebere. I was impressed because in Turani following a government program is kuyamba, and I was happy that this skilling system came here.
Abeja baheze mishomo yabo batungira obukugombyo kubazira ebyasaroni ebyamashanyarazi hamwe n'ebindi kandi abakozireje bank ya KCB abahereze bukoziso byo kutandikiraho.
And at the same time mubabesugwa sometimes someone gives you a small job utandika kwenda to get rich very quickly. Mubaba mazima
Gashakwa Christopher Imbiswe.